सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 551। प्रारब्ध कर्म परिकल्पित वासनाभिः संसारवच्चरति मुक्तिषु मुक्तदेहः सिद्धस्वयं वसति साक्षिवदत्र तूष्णीम् चक्रस्य मूलमिव कल्पविकल्पशून्यः Shankaracharya revealing the status of a Jivan Muktaha. Jivan Muktaha, the person who attained the liberation while living. Muktaha, a person free from all bondages. Dukkha nivritti purvaka, sukha prapti purvaka, atma jnanam, in which Jivan Mukti he has attained that Atma Sukham, discovered his Atma Sukham, and discovered that I, the Atma, is free from sorrow. I never have sorrow, but I have superimposed sorrow upon me, the Atma. How many years? Janmas. So many janmas, still struggling, managing to be sorrowful, in spite of studying scriptures, Viveka Chudamani, somehow managing to be sorrowful. Why not? Still he is not assimilated in Artha. Still it takes some more time. Doesn't matter. Once he has assimilated, how he looks at the body, sakshivat, without any disturbance. What a status, no? People are all talking different status and status quo. Okay, promotion, status quo. Vedanta talking another type of status quo. Jivan Mukta status, prarabdha karma parikalpita vasanabhihi samsarivat charati. Charati means moves. Who? This Jivan Muktaha. He moves. I am talking other ajnanis, not you. You are all advanced students. Okay, charati means the one who moves. How he moves? Samsarivat, as though he is in samsara, as though he is having body-mind complex, it appears. Like an ordinary person, just like ordinary person, do interaction. He or she does the interaction just like ordinary person. Samsarivat. Goes to market, buy the vegetables. Grihastha Jnani. He has to buy all those things and take care of the house, all those things. Samsarivat charati. Because of what? Parikalpita vasanabhi. Because of vasanas, previous janma vasana, that prarabdha karma, arabdham karma is going on. Still it is continuing. The chakram that moves. Just as after you switch off this fan switch, still that fan moves. The momentum, it is called momentum. You cannot stop suddenly the fan. It moves for some time. Similarly, the prarabdha karma is like non-pedaling cycle. After pedaling, cycle goes. You stop pedaling, still some distance it will go. Why I am not pedaling? How it is going? Because previous pedaling speed, momentum continuing. Similarly, after jnanam, that momentum of previous vasanas, prarabdha, arabdha karma vasanas will continue. That's what he says. Prarabdha karma parikalpita. Parikalpita means superimposed by the people, other people. But from the standpoint of a jnani, prarabdhamu kadiyadu, parikalpitamu kadiyadu, vasanavu kadiyadu. From the worldly people's angle, from their language, pava, jnani, he is undergoing his prarabdha. He is undergoing good prarabdha, bad prarabdha. This opinion also from the standpoint of public, not from his standpoint. After getting Jivan Mukti, I got Brahmagnanam. I know I am Brahman because Swamini taught me very well. I have notes also, but still my prarabdha, let it continue. Suppose he says like that, Swamini, I understood very well. I am Brahman, Aham Brahmasmi. But my prarabdha is continuing. And enna ardham? Puriyala ardham. See, jnani should not say my prarabdha is continuing. Enna pandrathu enna prarabdham? Just casually sometimes they may use. For the sake of worldly people they may use. Really speaking, from their standpoint, they never have prarabdha. Even Jnani never used that word. Suppose inadvertently any time if he or she uses also, there is no tatparya in that. Enna pandrathu enna prarabdham. Chuma, it comes just like that, a lip movement. But we should not take it as literally. Rama Swamini also said she has got prarabdha. அப்படி என்ன ஞானிக்கு கூட பிராரப்தம் இருக்கும், எனக்கும் இருக்கு, எல்லாருக்குமே இருக்கு. So don't mistake like that. So this prarabdha kalpita vasanabhi from the standpoint of the worldly people, because we have to give answer to the people. Why this jnani is undergoing this suffering? Why this jnani is undergoing such a pain, body pain, mental trauma, situation? Why problems is undergoing? Some answer should be given to the public, to the society. So Shastra says, don't worry, he is having his prarabdha, karma, vasana, therefore he is undergoing in body. Appadi sollanum society. Otherwise people will misunderstand, because they are not at all, have not yet reached. So for them, prarabdha karma is real. So therefore for their sake we say, ada kalpita, parikalpita. இவருக்கு தெரியும் இதெல்லாம் பரிகல்பிதம்னு தெரியும். But people do not know, other people. So samsarivat charati, when bhuktishu mukta dehaha. Mukta dehaha means a person who is embodied, released but embodied. Mukta dehaha, a person we can take is videha mukti also. Mukta dehaha means the one who is freed from the body. Mukta dehaha, that means what? He is not having the dehabhimana. Muktaha, free from deha. He never look at the body as his own body, her own body. That is called mukta dehaha. Videha muktaha aham. Aham deha rahitaha. Videha muktaha. While bhuktishu, while experiencing all experiences caused through the people, through the interaction with the world, bhuktishu, while experiencing body pain, cold, hot, everything is undergoing as usual. Hunger, thirst, these experiences is undergoing. But mukta dehaha, what is status, no? Very difficult. Siddhaha swayam vasati, accomplished siddhaha, and remaining swayam, by himself or herself, swayam vasati, abiding, remaining as what? Sakshivat, as a witnesser, looking at the body as a witnesser. This is a nice abhyasa. You do length of time. Okay, you have to sit quietly, look at your hand is separate from you, look at the leg separate from you. Whatever I see is not me. I see the clip, therefore clip is not me. Adi nalla irukka Swamini. I see the hand, therefore I am not the hand. I see my leg, therefore I am not the leg. I see my nose, at least tip of the nose, I am not the nose. Like this, each and every part of the body you have to negate. Nididhyasana time. Similarly, manaha, buddhi, chitta, ahankara, internal. I experience my mind, therefore I am not. This is called a sakshi bhava. Sakshivat, I am sakshi. Atra tushnim, I am the witnesser. Sakshi enna pannuva? Witnesser. Witnesser is always witnessing, different from the witnessed. What object? Suppose the train is going, moving, and people are all moving, I am witnessing. I am different from that. What am I witnessing? That means I am witnessing the body, witnessing my mind, tired mind, strong mind, I am witnessing. That means what? I, the witnesser, is not the mind. Atra tushnim. The witnesser doing what? Not anything. Tushnim and chumma. Simply sitting. Not doing anything. Just as. Like chakrasya moolamiva. Chakrasya moolamana, chakramanna, the wheel. Moolamana, hub. The hub of the wheel is sakshi, the axle, but the whole thing is moving. Our whole life is like, that's a Mahabharata serial, and the chakram will come. These are all indicators. They are taken from this Viveka Chudamani, it seems. So there are many places this chakram example will come. Chakrasya moolam iva, as though the axle of that, even the pot maker, when he is making pot and the chakram is moving in the inside, it is not moving. That clay where you put in the center point, it is not moving. If it is also moves, you cannot do pot. And you catch the mud. Chakram is moving, the axle, the pot, mud is in your hand. You just keep the hand shape, give the shape. Adi madri chakrasya moolamiva kalpa vikalpa shunyaha. Kalpa vikalpamanna, there is no vikalpas, modifications, and all modifications are there, some modifications are not there. All these are not belong to me. Even when I am sitting, mind is not functioning. There is no vikalpa. Mind koncha neram appadi steady irukka. So that time no vikalpa. Kalpa vikalpana, modifications less modifications with modifications. So that time also I am what? Abba, manasu nimmadiya irukku. And nimmadiya irukra manasukku naane da sakshi. Alachilla irukka manasu adukku naane da sakshi. Kalpa vikalpa. Sankalpa, kalpana sankalpa vechikalam. Sankalpa vikalpa. For sankalpas and vikalpas, I am the sakshi. Shunyaha, sankalpamu kadiyadu, vikalpamu kadiyadu. Idi pannanum, idi pannida ahanum ani sankalpamu kadiyadu. Let it take its course of time. Doesn't matter. Sankalpa vikalpa shunyaha means without. Shunyaha without. Without any agenda. Appa, nama worldly language lo sollanamanna without any agenda. Free in artham. Next 552. Naivendriyani vishayeshu niyunta eshaha. Naivapayukta upadesha upadarshya lakshanastha. Naivapayukta upadarshya lakshanastha. Naiva kriya phalamapisha vekshate saha. Naiva kriya phalamapisha swananda sandra rasapana sumatta chittaha. Swananda sandra rasapana sumatta chittaha. Long sentence. You can't split in the middle also. Eshaha, first line. Eshaha, the same subject matter continuing. How this Jivan Muktaha interacts. Eshaha means Jivan Muktaha. Eshaha Jivan Muktaha. Jivan Muktaha is not there in the shloka. You have to supply. Supply in the sense Eshaha to be understood as Jivan Muktaha. This person. Who is this person? Our hero. Jivan Muktaha. We are talking about Jivan Muktaha. Who is that Jivan Muktaha? I am. Cholli vechikilame. Cholli vechikilame. I am Jivan Muktaha. Illen enna idona Eshaha Jivan Muktaha. That Jivan Muktaha. This Jivan Muktaha. This Jivan Muktaha. What? See the second line. Upadarshana lakshanasthaha. Sun. Upadarshana lakshanasthaha means Upadarshana means seeing. Whose nature is witnessing. Upadarshana means that's why in the chashma ki spectacles upanetram ani peru. Randa kannadi. Netram anna kannu. Idu upanetram. Seeing with that kannadi, no? Therefore upanetram. The spectacles are called upanetram in Sanskrit. So darshana means seeing, witnessing. Upadarshana means I, the Atma, remaining as my nature is what? Upadarshana lakshanastha. My lakshanam anna? Osi. I, the OC, nature is witnessing nature. Upadarshana lakshana sthaha. Sthaha means endowed with, possessing, having the nature. What nature? Witnessing nature. Eshaha jivan muktaha upadarshana lakshanasthaha. I, the consciousness, visualizing this body, mind, complex, ahankara, interacting with the another ahankara. Another body, mind, complex. Ahankara, ahankara, the sanda. Atma, atma ki sanda kadiyadu. Ahankara, ahankara ki superiority, inferiority, complex. Pove, pohad. Ahankara level. Enna disparities are there. Limitations are there. Different of opinions are there. That's why now they are all coming to philosophy. Whatever said in Shastra, they are all applying in the family systems, corporate systems. Everything from Atma standpoint. Konjam konjama Vedantam kondu vara. Enna vera vali illa. Idhukku da vandi da aganonu. So upadarshana lakshana lakshanastaha san vishayeshu, in the sense objects. Vishayeshu means shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha. Enna pandrom kaalilindi idadane pandrom. Listening, seeing, tasting, smelling, touching. Where edavadhu pandroma idu thavara adha vishayeshu, corresponding sense objects. Vishayeshu indriyani, sense organs, naiva niyungtaha. He is not using them. Niyungtaha means he is not using them, not activating them. Vishayeshu, Shabda, Sparsha, etc. Vishayeshu, he is not, Niyungtaha means utilizing them. Using, he is not using. He is not running for Adi sale. Ella போறதே இல்ல, போதும்னு சொல்லிட்டு விட்டுட்டான். வைராகியமே வந்தாச்சு இவருக்கு. வைராகியம் வந்ததுனால தான் முக்தியே வந்தாச்சு. அப்போ அங்கங்க போகணுமான்னு ஏதாவது இருக்குமா என்ன? எங்கேயும் போகிறதுக்கு மனசே வரமாட்டேங்கிறது சுவாமினி. எல்லாரும் they are kindling me, they are criticizing me. Let them criticize. In this time, this situation will come to them also one day or other. So even the people criticize, don't bother. You have got maturity earlier than them, that's all. You have got vairagyam earlier than them. So naga pottuko, adi pottuko, adi pannu ella solluvan. Onnu venda podum enna. Adi maturity, that's all, nothing else. We have already gone through everything. Na niyungtaha. He never liked to run after the TV program serial. ஒரு டிவி இருக்கனே தெரியாது. எல்லாரும் பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பார். அவர் பாட்டுக்கு அவர் வேலை பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பார். கிரகஸ்த ஞானி. என்ன உனக்கு ஒன்றுமே இன்ட்ரெஸ்டே இல்லையா அது கேட்பான். என்ன கொஞ்சம் கூட இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லாமலே என்ன பண்ணுறது? நோ கிரேவிங் ஃபார் எனிதிங். ந நியுங்தே இந்திரியாணி விஷயேஷு நியுங்தே நைவ நியுங்தே. He will not use at all. But where you can use a minimum basic food, either paakano idi tappanisari kashna unavoidable, it is must for basic survival he uses. So therefore that vairagyam is spontaneously take place. It is natural. This is natural. Na niyungte, then naiva apayungte. No rejection also. He na paaka maate ani solla maata. Suppose anybody gives eat na, ஓகே சி ஓகே நைஸ் சொல்லி விட்டுடும், அவ்வளோதான். ந அபயுங்தே, நைவ அபயுங்தே மீன்ஸ் நாட் ரிஜெக்டிங், ந நியுங்தே not using, at the same time not rejecting. When children are coming and asking, grandchildren are coming and asking, tata tata na, ivareyum nalla anandama swatmana ananda ramana, but he as though he moves with them. Na apayungte, appadin rejection panna kodadu. Hey, don't bring to me, appdella solla kodadu. When you are in the world, especially grihastha ashrama, you have to be very careful. நான் சன்னியாசினி, நான் பாட்டி நான் இருப்பேன் தனியாக, யாரும் கேட்க மாட்டா. பிகாஸ் இந்த வஸ்திரமே தெரிஞ்சு போயிடும். நோபடி லாஸ். பட் ஃபார் யூ இட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். பிகாஸ் யூ ஆர் லுக்கிங் லைக் ஆர்டினரி கிரகஸ்தா. ஸோ தே புல் யூ. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ஆக்ட். நீங்கள் நிறைய ட்ராமா பண்ணணும். நல்லா கற்றுக்கோங்க, எப்படி எப்படி டைலாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி எப்படி சொல்லணும்னு தெரியாத மாதிரி. நைவ அபயுங்தே, அபயுங்தா இஸ் தேர், இட் இஸ் அபயுங்தே. who is there, swara is there, so sandhi, because of sandhi rule apayungta will be there, but when you split it apayungte, no rejection also. Why? Because of upadarshana lakshanastha, is a witnesser. No rejection, no aversion, no craving also. இஷ்டமு கிடையாது, இஷ்டமு கிடையாது, லைக்கிங்கு கிடையாது, டிஸ்லைக்கிங்கு கிடையாது. நமக்கு என்னென்ன ரெண்டு எக்ஸ்ட்ரீமிட்டிஸ் இருந்தால் அப்படியே பிடிச்சிடுவோம், இல்லைன்னா விடக்கூடாது. அதுதான் ஞானிக்கு அஜ்ஞானிக்கு டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். நோ எக்ஸ்ட்ரீமிட்டிஸ். Even any person also loving too much that person, talking too much, at the same time our moonje paaka koodadanu. That is why gnani is always neutral, udasinaha, neutral. There is no elation, no depression. Then naiva apayungte. See the last line. Swananda sandra rasa pana samutta chittaha. Swananda, ananda plus swa ananda. Swana one's own. One's own ananda. What is this one's own ananda? Any ananda is one's own ananda. My ananda is my ananda. Rasgulla I am eating, it is my ananda. It is not your ananda. When I am seeing the movie, it is my ananda, not your ananda. What is this swananda? Your own ananda. Anna, Atma Swarupam is your real nature. Ananda Swarupam. This ananda is not born out of cereal or rasgulla or any other. That's why when you want to go to some other place, day after tomorrow we are going to some place. How happy you are, see? எல்லாம் பேக்கில் வைக்கும் போது உட்கார்ந்து எல்லாம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணி என்ன ஃபுட் எடுத்துகிட்டு போகணும், என்ன ட்ரெஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு போகணும், ஒரே குஷி குஷி. என்ன கேம்புக்கு போகிறோம், குஷி குஷின்னு. நாட் ஓன்லி கேம்ப், எனி நியூ பிளேஸ் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு கோ, சி, அது ஒரு ஆனந்தம். அது என்னுடைய ஆனந்தம், அது ஸ்வானந்தம் தான். பட் நாட் தட் ஆனந்தம் we are talking here. Ananda which is not caused by any condition, not caused by any object, not caused by any person, not caused by any situation. Swa Ananda is one's own real nature. Atmani eva atmana tushtaha. That Ananda. Swananda. How can you say Swamini Swanandana Atmanandana? Next word you see, Sandra Rasapana. Sandra na thickna. Thickna, Sandra na exact meaning is thick, dense. The pal without mixing water. If you take that thick milk and chollu anliya, this Sandrata, density, thickness. Any ananda you get from the porul, people, that is not sandra. It is not thick. And it is diluted. It is diluted ananda. It is not total ananda. Purna ananda kadiyadu. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இருந்தால் நல்லா இருக்கும். இன்னும் ஒரு ரசகுல்லா சாப்பிட்டான்னா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ரசகுல்லா. தட்ஸ் வை எனிபடி சம்டைம்ஸ் சர்விங் வாட் வி லைக். சப்போஸ் தே டோன்ட் சர்வ், கொஞ்சம் போட்டால் நல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படி தோணும் மனசுக்கு. என்ன ஆனந்தம்? சாந்திரமா சந்திரமா? சாந்திரம் இல்லை. பட் திஸ் ஆனந்தா இஸ் சாந்திர, டோட்டல், பூர்ண ஆனந்த, கம்ப்ளீட். Swananda alone is complete Ananda. None of the experiential Ananda is having such a thickness. Thickness, and don't think like thickness. You never have insecurity about that Ananda. Ananda poidumemo ni kavala irukadu. Adu Sandra. Rasana. Rasana juice. Ananda rasam. Sandra Swananda Sandra Rasas Panam. He is drinking his own Atmananda. How can you drink your own Ananda? Just words, don't take literally. Enjoying, reveling. He is, in real he is drunk and ardham. Sumatta Chittaha means whose mind is dwelling upon his own Atma Swarupam is called drunk. He is drunk. Nardam. He is drunk. Not other spirit. In the spirit. Atmananda. Atmananda. Ratma Rama Ananda Ramana. Perik Ramana. Ramana and Anardam Therima. Ramate, always reveling in. So positive sense la eduthukano. Un sumatta chittahanna positively. Ade our madri ippude toolindi irupara na appella sollakuda. He is not losing his balance. He is not losing his balance like other people, drunkards. He is very, very alert, more vigilant than anybody else in the world. More active, more receptive, more grasping, and more sensitive also than anyone else in the world. Sumatta chittaha. Sumatta. That positively edutukonga. Don't take it in a negative sense. People are there. They act like jnanis. Enna jnana vandanamana unmatta chitta. They always move like this, go on moving. Kannu moodindi mayamarandi. Aha, avaru paathara eppadi irukar appadella kaamikkanum. People know they're trapped by those things, and they close eyes also half. Appadi half close panna ava parunga appadi bhagavan madri. Idella practice moolama vandadum. You also can do that. Half closing eyes. அதெல்ல பாடி தூளுறது. உங்க பார்த்த உடனே பாத்தியா, he is looking at me only அண்ணா. யாரும் மொத்தம் பார்க்கணும் இல்லையோ. Sometimes we go to such people and go on and writing books on that. I went to that person, immediately one aura came and surrounded by me. Total aura, I was totally forgotten myself. Then I came out and out. Out da. Idella vidadungo badram nu solren. Sumatta chittaha. So next shloka. Kriya phala. Kriya phalamapi Ishad Saha, you have to Saha is there. Saha, that Muktaha, Jivan Muktaha, Jnani, Kriyaphalam naiva apekshate. Avekshate. He does not get into karma and karma phala. Kriya anna karma. Kriya phala phalam api ishat, even little bit, an iota of karma. I want to do this, I want to do this. That eagerness won't be there. I want to get something from this phalam. Kriya and phalam. Kriya phalam, karma phalam. Action and its result. Na ishadapi, even little bit. Na avekshate, naiva apekshate, na avekshate, never desire. He does not get into karma and karma phalam. He does not look forward for fresh agami karma phalam. From philosophical angle, prarabdha is also not prominent. Prarabdha is also not prominent. Next shloka. 553. Lakshya lakshagatim tyaktva yastishtet kevalatmana Shiva eva swayam sakshat Ayam brahma viduttamaha. Yaha, who is laksha alaksha gatim tyaktva. Lakshya means visible, alakshya means invisible. It's very technical. When you are doing meditation, you keep a lakshyam, Bhagavan, object. What is your goal when you are doing meditation upasana? That Bhagavan is the lakshyam. Gati, na, that for that marga. For that marga it is a lakshyam. Keeping a lakshyam or not keeping a lakshyam. Lakshya alaksha gatim. Free from any goal, free from any object in front, either visible or invisible. Sometimes visible lakshyam is there. What is your lakshyam? What is your goal? And chalwa in the Bhagavan da enak lakshyam. That is the upasanaki. The person who does upasana. If you ask a college student, what is your goal? I want to study engineering. I want to go to America. It is lakshyam. Like that, in the Jivan Mukta kuda edo or lakshyam irukumo unnadi. You ask him, what is your lakshyam? What is your goal? Already he has accomplished dharma, artha, kama, moksha goals, lakshyas. Purushartha siddhaha. So lakshyam illa. Appadinu solli oru alakshama ellame alakshama irukkelena. Lakshyam illamal irukkanna. There is lakshyam, this body is there taking food. Alakshamu kadiyadu. Edo body irukke taking care of that body. Lakshamu kadiyadu. Visible and invisible. Invisible anna, I want to go to Swarga. Invisible lakshyam. Alakshyam. No? Visible and invisible. Lakshya anna visible. Alakshyam anna you can take invisible. Some people have goals which are invisible. நமக்கு சொல்ல மாட்டான், கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாது. ஸ்வர்க்கம் is visible or invisible அம்மா? Invisible. அது மீனிங்ல கூட எடுக்கலாம். அலக்ஷ்யம். அலக்ஷ்யம் which is not visible, which is invisible. That is alaksham. Lakshya alaksha gatim. So karma phala is two types. Drishtam and adrishtam. That only. Lakshya phalam or alaksha phalam. Drishta phalama or adrishta phalama. Rundume venda enakku. Both are mithya only. Both are mithya only. Both I need not work for them. Why? Because having left them, kevala atmana tishthet. Kevala atmana means Shuddha Atma, pure consciousness. Upadhi Rahita, anartha, attributeless. Without body medium, without mind medium, even the using, remaining as a Shuddha Atma. Tishthet, remaining, abiding. I am, next line, I am this Brahma Viduttamaha who has assimilated this spontaneous remembrance is called Brahma Viduttamaha. Brahma Vitt enna pohado? Adula Uttama. In Brahma Vitt also there are Uttamas. Knower of Brahman is different. Knower of Brahman and remembering always that I am Brahman. That is called Brahmavid Uttamaha. Who has assimilated the Brahma Jnanam and remembering all the time, never lose the balance. Ever equanimous, never lose the balance. Why? Because of remembrance. Only not in Viveka Chudamani. After wearing chappal, going outside also, I remember. Auto wala, bus wala, all problems, servant, everybody create problems. That time also, remembering, never lose the balance. No raga, dvesha, kopa, tapa, irsha, asuya, jealousy, no, nothing is there. அதுதான் பிரம்மனிஷ்டா, அதுதான் பிரம்மவித் உத்தமஹான்னு. அப்போ அப்படி ஆகணும். எனக்கு தெரியும் சுவாமி பிரம்மன் ஓசி தெரியும், ஆர்சியும் தெரியும் அண்ணா. உத்தமஹா எப்போன்னா சமத்வம் யோக உச்சதே. அது ரிமெம்பரன்ஸ் ஆஃப் தட், தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அசிமிலேஷன். பிரம்மவித் உத்தமஹா Sakshat, directly, Sakshat, who is he? Swayam, by himself or herself, Shivaha eva. Bhagavan, Bhagavan, Shiva, Vishnu and Solrame. Engirka appa Shiva, Vishnu and Ivarda Shiva. Puriyarda? And the Jnani da Brahma Viduttamaha alone is Shivaha. Deho Devalaya Proktaha Sajivaha Kevala Shivaha. And the Shiva lo Ikara the Vedta Ikaram you take out Shava. So the one who is inauspicious and Ardham. Shava is inauspicious. Shiva is Mangalam. So whoever is having Jnanam, that Jnani, wherever he is, it is Mangalam. Puriyarda ippo, na sollala, avar solrar, Shankaracharya. I am Swayam Shivaha eva, he alone, she alone is Shivaha, Mangalam. That's why wherever Jnani is there, Mahatma is there, Mangalam. Next shloka. जीवन्नेव सदा मुक्तः कृतार्थो ब्रह्मवित्तमः उपाधिनाशात् ब्रह्मैव Okay, we'll read like that. Upadhinashat brahmaiva san. Upadhinashat brahmaiva san. Brahmapyeti nirdvayam. Brahmapyeti nirdvayam. Now, Brahma Vittamaha. Vare Vittamaha, Tamaha, Tamaha. Superlative degree. The greatest. See, therefore, Jnanis, according to their Swabhava, there are writer Jnanis, there are speaker Jnanis, there are singing Jnanis. Some Jnanis go on singing. There are silent Jnanis. You can never determine the Jnani by his or her action. இவர் சும்மா இருக்கார் பேசுறது இல்லை அப்போ பெரிய ஞானியான்னு. According to their swabhava, nature, that body will take its function. I told you, depends on the necessity of the society environment, not for his sake or her sake. புரியுறதா? Any activity for that matter. ஏன் இப்படி இவர் பண்றாரு அவர் பண்றாரு? Who are you to ask? Let him do. Let she can do, let her do. So therefore never question why this jnani, you don't do so, you don't do any solla kudadu. Some sishyas, they go on telling you don't do this, you don't do this, and go on being with that jnani. Sometime they recommend certain activities. Idella pannungo, idella pannadungo. அப்படியெல்லாம் பண்றதுக்கு வாய்ப்புண்டு பண்றாங்க நிறைய பேர். All Jnanis are governed by the people, bhaktas, devotees. But the great Jnanis knows. Sorry and சொல்லிட்டு பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. Because they know what to do. இங்க போகாதுங்கோ பண்ணாதுங்கோ அது இது சொல்லுவான். சரி கிருஷ்ணர் மாதிரி. கிருஷ்ணர் கூட அப்படிதான் பண்ண மாட்டேன் சொல்லி பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பார் அவர் பாட்டுக்கு. அது மாதிரி ஹியர் பிரம்மவித்தமஹ, தி ஜீவன் முக்தஹ, who has assimilated. Here, from here onwards, Videha Mukti is talking about. Jivan Brahmavittamaha Jivaneva Sada Muktaha. There are different way of expressions about Videha Mukta. Some philosophers talk about Videha Mukta means after once the Jnani leaves this body, just you break the pot and this space merges into total space. It is a type of merging. Similarly, this Jnani, when he leaves this body, he got Videha Mukti. This is one convention. Some people say like this. There are some people, they say, before leaving the body itself, he is Videha Muktaha only. Jivan neva Muktaha Sharirat Tasmat Saha Videhaha. சில பேர் இப்படி சொல்லுவான். இது ஒன் வே ஆஃப் இன்டர்பிரேஷன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்டர்பிரேஷன் புரியுறதோ? ஆஃப்டர் த ஃபால் ஆஃப் த பாடி ஹி அட்டைன்ட் விதேக முக்தி. And some people say, no, not necessary. While living Jivaneva, while living in this body itself, he is not having any deha abhimana. Muktaha ada Jivan eva sada muktaha, all the time free from the body. Kritarthaha. Some yoga philosophers say Videha Mukti anna, you have to go into deep samadhi. You forget the body, you stop the mind, and the deep samadhi lo you are getting Videha Mukti. No activities to the body, mind, any activities all stopped. The body is not functioning. No food, no water. So that body is as good as dead. That samadhi is called videha mukti according to yoga philosophers. Here Shankaracharya want to say, நமக்கு அந்த விதேக முக்தி எல்லாம் வேண்டாம். இந்த உடம்புல இருக்கும் போதே ஜனக மகாராஜா பேர் என்ன? விதேக ராஜா. ஸோ இந்த பாடியில் இருக்கும் போது ஜீவனேவ சதா முக்தா. ஐ ஆம் ஃப்ரீ வென் ஆஃப்டர் கெட்டிங் ஞானம். பிஃபோர் ஞானம் ஐ வாஸ் நாட் முக்தா. இங்கே தான் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஆஃப்டர் கெட்டிங் Swamini, ஆஃப்டர் கம்மிங் டு யூ only I got mukti. Before this Shastra study I was not mukta. And people say, generally suppose you say like that, that is not right. I was mukta, I am mukta, I will be mukta. Ever mukta. I, the Atma, is ever free. This is called liberation. Mukti I have not attained. What is attained here? I have attained the knowledge that I was muktaha, ever free consciousness. At present also muktaha. In future also muktaha eva. Ada sada muktaha. And sada underline பண்ணணும். முன்னாடி எல்லாம் முக்தி இல்லை, இப்படி முக்தி வந்தாச்சு. என்ன வர முக்தி என்ன ஆயிடும்? போயிடும். முக்தி வரதுன்னது கிடையாது, வந்தாச்சுன்னா போயிடும் அர்த்தம். அதுக்குதான் முக்தி வரதுன்னது கிடையாது. நான் முக்தன் இல்லை அங்கிற நோஷன் காசியில் விட்டுட்டு வரணும், அவ்வளோதான். நான் முக்தன் இல்லை, இப்போ முக்தன் ஆயிட்டா அந்த மாதிரி நோஷன் வரக்கூடாது. I thought I was not muktaha. Now I understood that I was muktaha. Enna I was consciousness. Eppo I am consciousness. Eppo me consciousness is nityaha. Therefore these are all nalla contemplate பண்ணணும். நான் சொல்லிட்டே போவேன், இது மாதிரி endless. இது ஜீவன்னேவ சதா முக்தஹா வை கிருதார்த்தஹா. Kritarthaha means, kritaha means accomplished. Arthaha means purusharthaha. The one who has accomplished the purushartha, that is moksha. Since prarabdha is whether longer life or shorter life, another no question here. Puriyarada ipo prarabdha prarabhitaya samarpitam vapuhu. This body, he never bother about long life or short life. Who bothers about this body? Just as upadhi nashat brahmaiva san brahmapyeti nirdvayam. Upadhi nashat. Here Ajnani has got Agami Sanchita. Jnani does not have Sanchita Agami. So Ajnani has got what? Prarabdha. Jnani never have Prarabdha also. Why? Because he is not body. Where is the question of prarabdha? So upadhi nashat brahmaiva. Upadhi nashat rendu vidhama eduthikalam. This destruction of the body physically, upadhi nashat brahmaiva. Suppose upadhi nashat is upadhi mithyatva nischayat. Appadi pannalam. Upadhi mithya, nama, rupa, material, matter. This body upadhinashat brahmaiva san brahmapyeti nirdvayam. Nirdvayam means advayam. Non-dual Brahma he attains. Rendu vidhama eduthikalam. பாடி போனாலும் விதேக முக்தம் தான். உடம்புல இருக்கும்போது ஜீவன் முக்தா அண்ட் விதேக முக்தா ஆல்சோ. என்ன ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் த பாடி. இது பெரிய குழப்பம். இதுக்கு பற்றி புக்ஸ் தேர் ஆர் ரைட்டிங் அபவுட் விதேக முக்தா ஜீவன் முக்தா. Therefore, Ajnani Karana Shariram will continue after the fall of the body. Jnani Karana Shariram, there is no Karana Shariram to continue. Ellame merge aayiduthu. So therefore, Ajnani will continue in another body. Jnani will never take another body. Videha muktaha. Next shloka 555. Shaileshu to vesha sadbhava bhavat. Vesha sadbhava bhavat. Bhava. सद्भाव भाव भाव अभाव अभावयोः. No, read together, okay? शैलेशो वेश सद्भाव भावयोश्च यथा पुमान्. शैलेश वेश सद्भाव भावयोश्च यथा पुमान्. இது வந்து அசல் வெர்ஸ் ஃபார்மில் படிக்கிறது பெட்டர். வெர்ஸ் இல்லை, ப்ரோஸ் ஃபார்ம். I have a change of tune. शैलेशो वेश सद्भावं सद्भाव अभावयोश्च यथा पुमान्. अभावयोश्च यथा पुमा तथैव ब्रह्म विश्रेष्ठः. सदा ब्रह्मैव नापरः. Different tunes. Okay. Yatha, just as. Just as kaschit, we have to supply. Just as some time, kaschit, some time. Shaileshuha, Shailushaha, sorry, Shailushaha. The printing is sorry. Shailushaha, Vesha Sadbhava Abhava Abhavayoscha. Just as a person wearing the vesham, wearing a vesham means acting. Example of an actor, Stri vesham or beggar vesham, any vesham. Shailusha, vesha sadbhava means wearing that dress when he is acting, or sometimes he is not wearing that dress, not acting. Whether he is acting or not acting, what is he really speaking? Puman eva. He is personal as it is. Tatha eva brahmavit sreshtaha sada brahmaiva naparaha. See how many roles he play. That person internally remembers what? I am an ordinary person, but playing this role now. Vesham, sadbhava. Sometimes vesham irukad. Vesham irundalum, vesham illatalum, நான் தான். அதே மாதிரி இந்த பாடி இருந்தாலும் இல்லாட்டாலும் நான் சைத்தன்யம். இது ஒரு வேஷம். 2 வேஷம் பண்றோம். என்ன தெரியுமா? when you are playing your role with the people, family members, that is another வேஷம். இன்னொரு டிராமா வேஷம். எத்தனை டிராமா பண்ணிருப்போம் இல்லையா, அது ஒரு வேஷம். ஃபேமிலி இன்டராக்ஷன் ஒரு வேஷம். this body is also another வேஷம். body is there or not, I am consciousness. That's what he says in the second line. tatha eva brahmavit, the knower of Brahman is shresthaha, he is superior. sada brahmaiva, he is ever Brahman, none other than Brahman, na aparaha. So you are wearing a vesham. You illa nanu kuda ellarume what, you are wearing a vesham. இந்த வேஷம் வேஷத்துல இருந்து புரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா இல்லையா? அவனுக்கு எப்படி புரியுறதோ இவனுக்கு புரியும். அதே மாதிரி இப்படி எல்லாம் வேஷம் போடணும் வெளியில போய். ஓகே. ஓம் பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரி ஓம்.